So this morning we were discussing how everybody here in this material world, in anxiety, chaos and anxieties. Every moment in a fearful condition, isn't it? Nobody is free from here. In this, we sang this song, Bhakti Vinod Thakur Mahajan song, which says, Hare prapanche padya agati hoya na dekhi upaya agati ragati charane sarana tamare korinusar. This prapancha, this material world is called prapancha. Pancha means five. Five things are here. What is that? Jivatma, Paramatma, Prakriti, Kala, Karma. Five things are here, therefore this is known as prapancha. You understand? Prapancha. Prakriti, material nature. Follow me. Material nature is here. Illusory energy. Kala, time element is here. Past, present, always changing. Karma means fruitive activities. You understand? And Jivatma, Paramatma. These five things are here, that is known as prapancha. In Vaikuntha Jagat, also there are five things. What are they? But that is not prapancha. Bhagavan, Bhakta, Bhakti, Swarup Shakti and eternal present time. These five things are there. You understand? There is Bhagavan, there is Bhakta, there is Bhakti. There is no Bhagavan, there is no Bhakta, no Bhakti. You understand? Jivatma, Paramatma. Karma, fruitive activities are there. So many material desires the body has. In order to fulfill material desire, they engage in so many varieties of activities. As a result, they are getting reactions of their karma. They have been suffering, and putting in all time, every moment, putting in fearful conditions. What will happen? All in anxiety. Do you understand? Prapancha. There is Bhagavan, Bhakta, Bhakti, and Swarup Shakti. There is no material nature, no Maya there. That is Swarup Shakti. Understand Swarup Shakti? What is that Swarup Shakti? What is that? Internal energy, Shakti, that is not different from Swarup, that is Swarup Shakti. Or energetic, Shaktiman, and energy is own energy, internal energy, internal potency, that is Swarup Shakti. Do you understand? No Prakriti, no external energy, or no material energy there. And there is no time element. Do you understand? Kala is here. Time element is here in this material world. Past, present, future, always changing. But there is only eternal present time, only present time. No past, no future. Understand my language? That is Vaikuntha Jagat. There is no time element. There is no change at all. Try to understand me. Here all changes. Every moment it changes. Yes, every moment it changes. This time factor. And time is a great devourer. Yes, in course of time, it's all destroyed. And time is the most devourer. He devours. Time devours. In Bhagavad Gita, 11th chapter, when Krishna manifested, displayed or showed his universal form, very fearful form, isn't it? Gigantic universal form. There is description in 11th chapter of Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna. Arjuna became very much afraid. Became very much afraid. Bhita pranamya, paying obeisance in the front side, back side, left side, right side. Cannot estimate who is beginning, who is middle, who is end. So much fearful. And became afraid and asked, "Ask me, who are you, such fearful form?" You understand? What Supreme Lord said? Kala asmin, loka khekrita buddha. I am Kala, I am time factor. I have appeared to destroy everything. So this time factor is here, in this prapancha, in this material world. But there is no time factor in Vaikuntha Jagat. Do you understand? There is no change at all. There is no destruction at all. All devouring Kala is not there. Understand me? All changes take, every moment change is there. But there is no change at all. It's only eternal present time. No past, no future. You follow me? Such is the Vaikuntha Jagat. And this is completely different, Prapancha, material world. Sakuntha Jagat, where there is chaos and anxiety. Kuntha means anxiety. There is anxiety, but there is no anxiety, no fear, no birth, death, old age and disease, no change, no destruction, nothing. No change at all. It's all the same, always. Only present time is there. Understand me? Such is Vaikuntha Jagat. Therefore here says, Prapanche padya agatya haya, na dekhi upaya, agati ragati, charane sarana, tumhare korinusar. O Lord Hari, I am fallen here in this Prapancha, this material world, where these five things are here. Always in chaos, anxiety, is a fearful situation. I cannot find out what is my destination. Agati. What direction I will go? What is my destination? I don't know. I can find out any means at all, any way at all. What to do? This is all chaos and anxiety, all fearful situation, what to do? Agati ragati charane sarana tumhare korinusar. Now, no way out. You are the Supreme Lord. You are the destination. Gati means destination. Who has no destination. Nobody can see in which direction he will go, what is destination, where to go, where to reach here. Such situation here. So I am such a fellow. I am fallen here. But you are the destination. You are agati ragati. One has no destination, you are his destination. Yes, that is the destination. Now, no other means I have here. At last, I completely surrender at your lotus feet, charane saranam. Tumhare korinusar. Do you understand? Now I am completely dependent on you. Do you understand? If someone does like that, then he becomes free from all chaos and anxieties in this Sakuntha Jagat. Do you understand, material? Otherwise, every moment, every body is in fearful situation and always so much anxieties, chaos and anxieties. Do you understand?